everyone. We're taking the boys to the pumpkin patch today. Hi, Grandpa. We're gonna have a lot of fun today. Look at all those cars. It's a busy day at the pumpkin patch today.
Hi guys. Hi guys, Leslie. Hi. Where you at? You at the pumpkin patch? Hi Titus. Say hi. Stay there. Hi Dominic. Hi Dominic. Pumpkin patch, guys. Oh, look at all the pumpkins.
Go ahead, Titus. Titus, that's too big for you. Go ahead, Titus. Come on, Titus. Titus. Go down there. Here. Come on, Grandpa. Here, go by Grandpa. Little one. Bring your pumpkin. Got your pumpkin? Good job. Okay. Let's go get a picture. Come on. Let's go get a pumpkin. Let's go. Come on. Get a place to sit down. Come on. Come on, baby. Go. Come on, Titus. Get your pumpkin.
Hi, Wesley. Wesley.
Hi.
Say hi.
Did you see Michelle then?
Go. Go, quick. Go, Dominic. Let's go.
Where's Titus? Come on, Titus. How are we going? Now, come on. It's so dark. It's so dark. Oh, he couldn't climb it.
Okay, today we're gonna cut pumpkin for Wee Wee Titus. Okay, that's Titus. This is Wee Wee's. Okay, hi Wee Wee. Say hi. Say hi. Hi Titus. Okay, we're gonna cut pumpkin today, okay? Okay, so we're gonna draw first. We draw Wee Wee pumpkin first. This is the face. Okay? The face. So we're gonna draw eye. We're gonna draw Wee Wee eye. Draw the eye. Ooh. We're gonna draw eye. Like that?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on, don't touch. That's the eye.
Eye contact.
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah.
Oh, what's eye?
Whoa! Okay, we got two eyes. We're gonna draw the nose.
Huh?
We're gonna draw the nose.
Huh?
How are we gonna draw the nose?
Oh.
Like that? Square nose?
Small nose.
Square nose?
Yeah.
Gonna draw square nose? Oh, we draw the mouth now.
Huh?
We're gonna draw the mouth now.
Mouse?
Mouth.
Huh? Pumpkin?
Yeah.
Hello, candy?
Hold on, Titus.
Pumpkin? Pumpkin?
Hold on, we're gonna leave two teeth. One teeth. Two teeth.
What color is that?
Hold on.
What color is that?
We're gonna do two teeth.
Chin?
Yeah. There, that's Wee Wee. That's Wee Wee. Wee Wee like it?
Huh?
You like that?
What's eye?
Yeah.
What's eye? This one.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Big nose. Don't touch.
Teeth?
Don't touch, Wee Wee.
No.
Draw teeth. One big teeth. Draw a picture first. Draw the face first, then we can cut. Okay. That's the eye right now. Cut the eye right now. Okay. Done. We are done. Yay, that's Tyler's. That's Riri's. We're gonna put candle in there, right? Okay. Right, Tyler? This guy eating Oreo. Okay, we're gonna put candle in there. Oh my God!